Going shopping. Going shopping is an activity I enjoy when I need to buy new clothes, toys, or groceries. I love visiting different stores and exploring what they have. When I go shopping, I make a list of what I need, so I don't forget anything. Sometimes, I go to the mall with my parents, and we walk around the different stores. I like trying on clothes and picking out new outfits. Shopping is also a great way to learn about budgeting and making choices. I have to decide what I really need and what I can do without. I enjoy browsing for new things, but I also like to save money by looking for discounts or sales. When I find something I really like, it makes me feel happy. Going shopping is also a fun way to spend time with my family or friends.